the whole B2B buying process has completely transformed over the last few years. I mean, we're looking at buying committees of 10, 15 people now, each one of them doing their own research, checking out your content, trying to figure out if you're even legit before they ever hop on a call. It's not how it used to be. They're really ahead of the game here on the research side. So let me just, paint you a quick picture here. Remember when a simple logo wall and the PDF case study were enough? I mean, those are my old sales days, but those days are long gone. And I mean, your buyers are skeptical, and honestly, they should be. I mean, they're getting pitched left and right. Look in your email inbox. Everyone's claiming to be the best thing ever. And they're trying to figure out who's actually walking the walk, who's legit, who should I consider as a vendor, a partner, an agency. And I mean, I was talking to a CRO last week. Let's just call him Mike. He told me something that really stuck with me. And he said, I don't trust what companies say about themselves anymore. I trust what their customers say about them. And I mean, I'm the same way. And here's the kicker. He doesn't just want to read what they say. He wants to see them say it. There's something about looking someone in the eye virtually, through a video recording and deciding for yourself if they're the real deal, if they're telling the truth. There's just that emotional connection. So it's starting at the top of the funnel. This is where you're trying to stop the scroll, right? We're all doom scrolling, going through things, but you've got about 3 seconds to grab someone's attention. And here's what we found that works. So you want to have 15 to 30-second clips of customers, really snappy, direct to the point. No fancy intros and names, just straight into the value, and lead with something memorable, specific metrics, outcomes, something up front to capture their attention. So let me give you a quick example. Say you're in the DevOps space and you have a quote of a customer saying, we cut our deployment time from 2 hours to 8 minutes. Put that on LinkedIn, have some animations and music to show that's professional and it's branded, and see the engagement you'll get on that short clip and how it drives people down the funnel. So up next, mid-funnel is where it gets really interesting. Right now, your people are doing their homework, right? They're on your website, they're opening your emails, they're trying to figure out if you're worth their time. So you can go a bit longer here on the video side. Think 90 to 120 seconds. And a tip here is to structure these videos like a mini story, right? You want the pain point they were facing, why they chose you, the implementation experience or buying experience, especially for larger companies if you sell enterprise, and then concrete results, and maybe even one unexpected benefit they discovered to keep it interesting. So there is a bit of a formula here for storytelling that, no matter what you're creating, you have to follow. Now, the bottom of the funnel is actually my favorite part. So when you're in those late stage deals, having a video of a customer who faced the exact same challenges, that's your secret weapon, right? So think objection crusher videos, focus on competitive replacement, the cost of inaction, something like that. The one example I always go to is we often get the objection at Testimonial Hero that I have a video team. Why should I work with you? So we had Ron from HubSpot explain, we have this massive video team. They're amazing, but they have a ton of requests and I can't scale. So I work with Testimonial Hero to scale my customer testimonial program. We use that video in our sales process constantly in enterprise deal, and it just works.